Hi, this is Professor Sanchez, and the goal of this video is to show you how to do the outline for your literary analysis essay. Now, this essay is going to be a bit more formal than the informal outlines we've been doing so far. But what I've done for you is create an outline template that you can fill in completely to help you organize and develop your essay. All right, so what I've done also is I have a sample outline for you to download and look at. That is here. This is not completely filled in, but I filled in some of it to give you an idea. So I have it broken into paragraphs. That's what the capitals. So there's the introduction paragraph, and then there's body paragraphs. Okay. So I filled in a hook, an idea for how I could kind of open the essay, some brief points to summarize related to my thesis. So some things I want to mention about the novel. And then I have my thesis here. So in The Bluest Eye, Toni Morrison uses setting to reflect her character's spirits. Then for my body paragraphs, I have a topic sentence followed by support that I want to include in that paragraph. So to connect it to my thesis, first, Morrison places her characters in a dingy industrial town that mirrors the Breedlove's hopelessness. So then I'm going to come up with quotations or things to summarize from the book, including page numbers so that I don't have to go back and find them later to cite them in the outline. So I have a quotation here that will likely be a block quote, and then I'm going to talk about a description here and the way that she talks about the weeds, and I have the page numbers attached. So this is what you would do for your body paragraphs. And then for the conclusion, you're going to summarize your main points and end with something memorable, maybe a connection to contemporary times or kind of widen the lens a bit. So that's the example. And then I have the outline template here. You can download it. So this is just the blank copy. So basically I want you to fill this in, upload it onto Canvas, and then after that you can start working on your draft.